Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Billy Technical Hasib. So friends, today I will review and discuss about one of the most strongest and very interesting platform. So friends, today I will review and discuss about the project name of Umachit Fund. So friends, you see this is the platform Umachit Funds. So friends, this is uh, this is very great and very promising most and interesting platform. So friends, Umachit project at the present time the best and very legit project, and this project future is very bright. I hope I will good profit generate in this project future. So friends, this project all links in my video description. Please check my video description first, and I hope you are obviously watch my video first to last. So friends, this is one of the most valuable platform at the present time. So friends, look at this. This is their platform. Look at this private cell, and look at this. They are running their private cell obviously, and their private cell running. Look at this. 64 days 64 days 4 hour 31 minute remaining. So friends, this is their private cell obviously. So friends, look at this introduction their platform. So friends, cheat fund is an non-banking financial ins- institution organization in India which come under the RBI Act 1934. So friends, obviously you will read it their introduction of the Umachit Fund. Obviously you will know something this project. Obviously, so friends, obviously download their white paper. Obviously must download their white paper and know about all things their platform. So friends, look at this private sell bonuses up to 30%. So friends, how to your bonus they are 30% and 25% and 15%. You look here, obviously you watch it and read it, must be look it, obviously you read it. So friends, look at this another great features. Look at this statics and features of cheat funds. So friends, look at this the cheat funds structure, how to they are used their structure. So friends, look at this their structure. Look at this, obviously look at this. So friends, look at this the perfect blending of Umachit fund with blockchain technology. So friends, the things that make Umachit funds stand out from the other cheat funds project in the market is the fact that the platform is booked by the highly trading highly trending blockchain technology along with a novel smart contract. So friends, obviously you are must read it and know about very simply their platform. So friends, customer satisfaction, how to your satisfaction from to this platform. So friends, you are obviously read it and know how to your satisfaction you this in this platform. So friends, look at this about UCF. Look at this, the token ticker is UCF obviously. So friends, look at this the Umachit fund token UCF is an ERC and 20 complaint token issue on the Ethereum platform. It is a utility token on the Umachit fund platform. So friends, look at this token details here, obviously you are watch it. So friends, token distribution here, team 30%. Then you will look at this private sale 10%, private public sale 30%, reserve 27%, bounty and marketing 3%. So friends, calculate use the revenue received from public and private sale, development 50%, marketing 15%, legal 5%, operational 20%, and others 10%. So friends, this is their roadmap. Obviously look at this, this is their roadmap, their future plan and upcoming plan. Obviously you know. So friends, look at this their roadmap. Obviously you are look at and know about something their future plan. So friends, Umachit team, obviously look at this their Umachit team. Obviously there all information here. Obviously you are click here and know about something their information. So friends, this is a great platform at the present time. So friends, obviously their token price is very low at the present time. So friends, their pre-sale, so friends, their private sale is running. Obviously you buy their platform, you buy their token UCF obviously, and future a great profit generate, I hope. So friends, look at this, uh, their token price. Look at this, 100 USDT you are by 1300 UCF token. So friends, 100 or 100 USDT is equal 1250 UCF, and 100 USDT is equal 11 150 UCF. Look at this, 15% discount, 25% discount, and 30% discount here. So friends, obviously you are buy their token UCF very cheap price. Future a great chance to earn big profit. So friends, obviously you are buy their token in this platform. Majid Fund is the very legit and very highly recommended platform. So friends, this is one of the best and legit platform at the present time. I hope this project all links in my video description. So friends, please check my video description and join all social media link and know about all update in very fast in this platform. So friends, I hope you are very good profit generate future to this project. So viewers, thanks for watching. Thank you so much.